This is the basic kitchen where they have provided with the oven and the hob, and the basic cutleries are also being provided. In case if you want to store any of your food, you can do it here. There is a refrigerator for the guest. Wash your utensils there and then just put away to dry it. Apart from that, this is the TV room area, and if you make more friends in the hostel, you can play some games with them. There's a Scrabble and even read the books. We are checking out from our brew hostel. In case if you want to keep your belongings in the hostel, this are the locker room keys. Hello, good morning everyone. This is the second day of our Cork and we are planning to go to the Blarney's Castle. We just checked out and it's 8:30 in the morning. So from the brew hostel, the walk to the bus station is only like how many minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And from there we are going to catch the local bus. You can take the bus from the Copark Street, the bus number 215. And the easiest way to remember is this one, the Corners House. So there's the bus stop. The stay for the Brews Hostel was really nice. We stayed for one night in the 4 mixed dorms and it costed around like 90 euros for 2 beds for one night. And they provide you with a free breakfast, and the location is absolutely fantastic because if you want to roam in the city center or even want to catch any bus to go outside the Cork, it's just fabulous. Thank you so much. Beautiful. It is a very beautiful village, a small town. It has everything, the bank, the Ivy Bank, the Garda, and there's the Blarney Castle and Garden. This is the Muskerry tram turntable where once the trains used to be turned around which were heading back to the Cork. Blarney Castle and Garden. You know, you're very new to the place and you feel that you need to see each and everything. So the maps are the best.
It's very convenient.
It is. Beautiful place to enjoy your coffee. This is the north wall. Look at that window. Did you see it? This used to be the stairs. Now we just have to imagine it. That's the lookout tower. What a lovely bird. It's not even scared. Hi! So narrow.
The next 800 years,
But actually you can see very far. If you step in, you can see very far. Yeah, it's too small to hop into it. Only one person can go. Only one person can go, right? You step ahead. Wow! It is actually so spiral. You have to hold on to the rope and keep going. Okay. Wow. This is the kitchen? You're now standing in the kitchen of the castle. This was the special bedchamber for the Lord and the Lady with the pyramid-shaped roof. just came from there and this is the view. It's so steep. We are at the top of the castle. And there's a crow.
Where are you trying to kiss the Blarney Stone?
Are you going to do it?
No.
It's time. It's nearly time to place the Blarney Stone.
That is beautiful, isn't it?
Wow. It is.
I think on the way up and down.
The one good part is that we don't have to go down from the same stairs.
Yes.
The stone seems to be like a limestone, isn't it?
Not sure. Stone story.
I hope it's not too scary.
Lay back. Hold the rails behind.
A little bit more.
You're fine the way you are, just lay back.
Okay.
Now hold the rails. That's it. Put your head down and kiss the bottom stone. Done?
Oh. This is the bell tower, right? Be careful. Look at the bell. We'll click on photos here. Beautiful. You can actually see the garden, the 100 acres of garden from the top of the castle. Well, it was actually scary when we were climbing up. The stairs were getting narrower and narrower, but it's worth the view. It's worth kissing the stone. Once you're done kissing the stone, this is the exit. That was a good experience, isn't it?
Was.
Oh, see, this is the bedroom for the females, for the ladies, especially the young ladies. Look at the plaster work, Sidhu. It's up there. Like literally you have to squeeze in. We just came from there. So people in those days, if they were unwelcome, they will pass through this hole. And then people who were in the castle, they used to protect the castle by putting the deadly fire or boiling tar or even sword or a spike on them. And that was a beautiful experience of Blarney Castle. Siddharth and I usually, when we visit any of the places, we collect the magnet as a remembrance that we visited. So this time we are choosing this one. This is the remembrance that we went for the Blarney Castle, and we have a magnetic board in our house. Just besides the Blarney Castle, there's a poisonous garden. Do check out this place, but please don't touch anywhere. The whole purpose of this garden is to educate the people so that, you know, sometimes when we go in the wild, we don't know what kind of a plants they are, and sometimes it can even grow in our own garden. So this is a carnivorous courtyard, and some of these plants might bite. Do check out this place, and when you come over here, don't forget to kiss the Blarney Stone. The legend or the tradition follows that when you kiss it, you will have more fluency and the skills to talk in, and a goodwill too. Just besides to the tower, this is the Badger's Cave. This say that in the Badger's Cave, it's just a story where prisoners were being kept and left to die. Oh, that's too short.
Is there an exit that way or is it just door?
No, it's just the end.
Oh, okay.
That's the end.
Yeah, that's the end. There's no exit there.
I left enough, right?
That was all about the Blarney Castle. We spent around like 2 hours over there and it was fantastic. I just can't believe that I'm going from here now. And yeah, now we have to catch the bus and then the train, and we are heading down to the deck of cards. Siddharth and I both are actually very disappointed. Yesterday also happened the same thing with us, that we missed our bus, and right now also we missed our train. That's because the bus connectivity is not that great, and even though on the Google Maps it shows that the bus will be arriving, but it doesn't. Now this is a drawback when you plan your trip according to the public transport. We did miss our bus, but we didn't have to tap our leap card while coming to the city center of the Cork, and now we are at the Cork Kent station and we are going to take a train to go to the Cork. I know you all must be imagining that what is so much in the deck of cards houses in the Cork, but look at this. The houses which you are seeing behind are the 23 houses known as the deck of cards houses in Cork. This is the most famous tourist attraction, so if you come over here, do take out some good photos and visit this place. If you like watching our videos, so please hit the like and the subscribe button. That was our day 2 in County Cork, which was excellent. Apart from that, the bus thing what happened, and now we are heading back to the Cork city center because there's not much options to eat here in the Cork, so we just thought of going there. Tomorrow is the 3rd day of our trip where we will be going to the County Kerry. If you like watching our videos, so please hit the like and the subscribe button to our channel.